Okay guys, so there you have it. The 350Z up on the QuickJacks. Amazing product again, QuickJacks. I've only had these for a little while. It's the first time I actually put the Z up. Go ahead and I'll show you how I did this here in a little bit. The project here today is to replace the Y pipe, which has seen better days, but wanted to give you a little shot of this QuickJack. Okay, so here I am under a 350Z with the QuickJacks. As you can see, there's quite a bit of room under here. Quite comfortable. Still can move my arms a little bit. Of course, you're not going to want to do anything without your safety glasses. So we're about to try to cut these bolts off here, and let's see how it goes. Okay, so after being up in the air for about 2 weeks now at this point, QuickJacks has held this car up here for 2 weeks while I waited for parts to come in time to finish the job I was working on, which you can see from my other video. But just wanted to show you these things are safe. Once the car is up, it is up, and I'm going to bring it down so you can see how easy that is, and we'll finish up showing you the QuickJacks. And there you have it, the Z back on the ground. Again, QuickJacks, fantastic product. You can see I just have a normal residential garage, and without the QuickJacks, I couldn't get under this car. So if you're thinking about buying them, thinking about making your life easier, definitely a good idea.